Hello everyone, welcome to Maxim TV. We are here to help navigate the parenting pathway with you. You can agree with me that the first step in building a better society is raising good children that will grow into better adults and patriotic citizens. In raising these children, parenting plays a key role and its importance cannot be overemphasized. Parenting is far beyond providing food, shelter, or education. It involves intentional action geared towards raising an ideal child for the family and the society at large. Join us as we dive deep into the transformative journey of parenting. Discover how your choices shape your child's emotional, social, and cognitive growth and more. From public speech and expert interviews to practical tips in the form of drama, we cover everything you need to know about raising a happy, morally upright, smart, and resilient children. We shall be sharing advice, discussing challenges, highlighting mistakes parents make in raising children, and profiling solutions to some of these mistakes and challenges. Whether you are an intending parent, a new parent, or you've been a parent for a long time, our community is here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe now and be a part of our journey. Bye.